Do you need a steamer for auto detailing? Oh, hells yes. I've shown you why I love the steamer in the past. What about cleaning your tools? I'm actually selling my Bigfoot Millet. I like the forced rotation, I don't love it. I'm selling it to a fellow detailer here in Utah. And I just want to make sure that a lot of that crud in there, you see that?
A lot of polish and compound in a lot of these nooks and crannies.
And the machine still works. I just want to deliver something that looks really nice to the guy who's buying it from me. Right there, some polish. So like I said, I mean, the machine works great. I've probably only used it 10 times, literally on 10 different jobs. I just love my Bigfoot, you know, my LHR 15. So you can go ahead and steam your equipment, and it does a great job of helping you clean it quickly. Quickly and effectively, right? And then I would just blow it out with compressed air. Or in this case, I'll just let it dry. The old-fashioned air compressor, right? And yeah, it's just gonna dry. It'll be nice and clean. And I'll just feel better about selling something that's in really good condition. Check this out. This is my Brush Pro. This is a $2,000 piece of equipment. It's from the carpet cleaning industry. It sits on a tray because the brushes are like super sacred, right? You don't want the brushes to be on the ground. But look at this crap from a carpet job I did recently. If you have equipment out there, a steamer is going to be your best friend. How about that for a little before and after, right? So I can even take out these particular brushes, because that's how this machine works. This is the rod right here. And then the Brush Pro. It's pretty easy to clean. At least they give you access. I guess that's how you turn it on too. But yeah, anyway. This is the brush. I'm going to take it out and check this out. How would you clean this, right? If you were a carpet cleaning nerd, a carpet cleaning professional, whatever, you know, things get dirty. Well, this is where steam comes in. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys aren't using a steamer to clean your tools, you're missing out. Look at this. I'm gonna wipe this down. You guys ready for the side-by-side? I gotta get some of this gunk out. Ready for the side-by-side? Use your steamer to your advantage. It's less than $1,000. I love the VX5000. I love the Vapor Chief 100 continuous fill. I'm not paid by any companies. In fact, as you can tell, I work another job. I'm headed to that now. I have to change my shirt because I got dirt everywhere. But holy crap, use your steamer. It's an amazing invention. It's one of the wonders of the world. Use it safely, use it effectively, use it to make your life easier. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing. If you found any value in this video, like it, subscribe to my channel if you could. I know it's a big ask to share this anywhere, but if you want to share it in one of the detailing forums as a thank you, that'd be amazing. If not, I just appreciate you watching. Have a great day, guys.